So, there are two superworms. Papakain kay Zephyr. Okay, very pearly. Then, the next one is for Vermilion, Thai ZZ. Okay. Ayan. So, now, first nating papakainin si nakita yun ah. Hailey! The next one is for Zephyr. Ayan, so medyo bata pa si Zephyr. Hirapan siyang kainin. Right here, isa dito, nainggit na naman. Okay, and look at my filter. Ayan, biological filter. Slayer sponge. Second one, bio balls. The third one, zero color. And the fourth one, ceramic rings. And inside the ceramic rings or below the ceramic rings are the carbons. So here, directly here. Okay, then for the next one, top filter, just like a combination of ceramic rings, carbon, sponge, and below the sponge or the biological ball or bio balls. Okay. And here next are my goldfishes. Okay, so the first fantail, Ryuki, there a pearl scale, then yeah, red caporanda, then the last one are the blackmores.